everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the September 2023 Hip Kits. Today I create my first layout with the beautiful September kits and I got a recipe for it. I focus on the floral stamp, stencil and metal die set from the September color kit. And I also use some vellum, chipboard and floral die cuts, some puffy stickers and the beautiful tassels which are included in the September Embellishment kit. I start with the floral stamp, stencil and die set and stamp on white cardstock using a black ink pad. Then I color the motif using the stencils and ink pads. I start with the leaves and apply the ink with a blending brush. For the next step I use the darker green. Now I color the blossoms. I start with yellow, then pink and finally blue. Then I place the metal die on the colored flowers, secure it with washi tape and cut them out. Now I cut out a piece of the Hippie Club exclusive New Day, New Beginnings paper. I want to add a bit of texture, and so I piece holes and stitch along the lines using a thread in a matching color. I'm not really happy with my flowers. The yellow and light blue centers of the blossoms are covered by the darker pink and blue. So I apply yellow ink on a sheet of foil, just wipe over the foil with the ink pad, add modeling paste and mix it. Now I apply the yellow modeling paste on the flowers using the stencils. Now the inner part of the flowers look much better and the modeling paste adds some extra texture. I place a striped paper on my layout and arrange my flowers. I choose some butterfly die cuts from the New Day floral die cuts pack, which is included in the September Embellishment kit, place them on my page, pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. pick out a vellum tag from the vellum die cut tag and labels pack, which is included in the September Embellishment kit, glue it in white cardstock and cut it out. Then I embellish my photo with one of the chipboard frames from the chipboard die cuts pack, which you can find in the September main kit. And I add two of the tassels, which are included in the September Embellishment kit. I glue the photo on the tag and place both in the middle of the page. Then I add more chipboard die cuts, including the title. I continue embellishing my layout with some floral die cuts and mini chipboard stickers, both included in the September Embellishment kit. And I add some puffy stickers, which you can also find in the September Embellishment kit. Finally, I add some small purple dots from the Puffy alphabet pack, which is included in the September main kit. I use them instead of annual dots to add more little accents to my page. This is the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoy watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.